Hello friends, this is Shadow Aspen here, and today I want to show you how you can make within like literally 5 minutes or so you can make yourself a super awesome handy bushcraft ratchet like this one to keep your bedroll tight, or you can use it to wrap firewood bundles, all sorts of things in the bush. You can use that thing for, and it is made literally with a piece of wood and some string. Super easy. I didn't invent it, I seen it somewhere too, but I just wanted to show you, and maybe you don't know about this and you would like to find out how to do it, so I'm going to show that to you. So first things you need is a string and a piece of wood. You drill a hole in it in the center that it fits your string. It's really simple. So here's a string. It's just some sort of a, I don't know, stiffer kind of paracord or something. Anyway, you make on one side a rather bigger loop, just like this, and then take the other end and feed it through the stick, and then you tie another loop on the other end. This one you make smaller. The reason, there's not really a reason, but I like it because then I know which one is which. Faster, kinda. Okay, so now you tight this knot and your ratchet is done. Yeah, that's it. That's all you need to do. Now I show you how to use it. So in my case we have my canvas bedroll here, and all you need to do is you feed the string underneath, just like so. I hope you can see that. So now you take the one end from the stick and push it through the big loop, twist it around, put the other end through that loop. So now you can see that you basically created a choke point here. When you pull now on this knot, you pull the string through the hole and tighten it back, and at the same time you apply with that loop pressure on this connection here, and that holds it tight in the spot where you pull it to. So the best thing to do that is like you hold with your two fingers, you hold the piece of wood here, and then you pull on this other end. And you really can pull that hard, and then you see it is nice and tight, so I can barely get my finger underneath, and that's it. So now you ask me how to loosen the knot again. Really simple. You just twist the piece of wood until you get to the loop down here, and then you just push one end through and it kind of pops out just like this. Super easy, super quick. I do it one more time. Tighten it, push it through the loop. Keep that knot out here. Push the other one to the loop. And now you can tighten it. Just like that. To undo it, just flip it around like this. And it pops out. Pretty cool, isn't it? So if you want to see more videos like that, let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe, because that will boost my channel. I just started out. I need those likes, I need those subscribers, that it's worthwhile for me to make those videos. I have lots more I want to show you, but it needs to make sense for me. So please subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. So, das ist ein gutes Video.